Okay, I can't read this, you know, I'm going to try. Yeah. In September of 2015, the four of us got together and decided that we wanted to restore the old Ford. We devised a plan and decided that we wanted to keep it a secret from you, partly because we wanted to surprise you, but most of all because we didn't want you breathing down our necks all the time when we were doing it. In October, we dug it out of the barn and trailered it to Michael's shop in Ingham. We rolled it off the trailer. Michael was the only one who showed much optimism. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, he kept saying over and over again. Over the next 18 months, we disassembled, patched, straightened, repaired, buffed, painted, and reassembled every piece on the truck. As we went through the restoration process, we had many laughs, blaming each other for the dents and dings that we were fixing, but you and Grandpa got blamed for the majority of it. Many memories were made around this truck for all of us. We imagined that if it could talk, it would remind us of all the driving lessons, deer hunting, logging trips, and cows fed. And we were very proud of this truck, not just because of how it turned out, but because of the sentimental value we all share with it. We hope you'll find as much joy in it as we have as we started the project. We love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day, Michael, Matthew, McKay, and Marshall. Thank you so much. That is unbelievable.
All right, delivery day. Got the pilot, co-pilot.
What do you say, Alvin? Look at that damn truck. Holy shit. Where in the hell did that come from? Look at that. Holy.
You recognize it?
Holy, holy, holy. Hey, lazy R. Thank you so much. Oh, geez. That's what it's all about right there. Thank you. Whole night just saying that Grandpa's up there smiling and laughing his butt off too. Damn kids, see what they do to you? Yeah, that's very nice.